Morning. Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session of social studies. It's me, Jashuran. So, as we are moving into the concept of world wars, so it's a very vast and very important concept. That's why this we are going very detailed way. Okay, okay, students. Let me once we'll recapitulate. In the previous class, we discussed about why Germany was targeted by the League of Nations, why Britain and its allies targeted that much, and why they have made restrictions. Afterwards, at that time Hitler was available? No. This all happened. The League of Nations was established after the Treaty of Versailles. Okay, Nana? So these all things are happened after the World War I. That means imagine in the World War I itself how much capacity of army is available along with Germany, how advanced technology is available with them, how much armor is, how they are highly technologized. See, literally they got fear, they have to reduce their submarine ships which they are running. Okay, Nana? So all these things. After this what happened? It got insulted. Germany got literally insulted. So Germany people has seen such an insult, entire world has seen Germany. Why? What is the revenge by the allied groups to target the Axis groups? In that, why particularly Germany is targeting? So to cut the feathers of Germany, I have given explanation what is the strength of Germany. Afterwards what happened? So there is a new concept entered. Now socialism in the world. After the completion of World War, we didn't heard the name of Russia, but now we are going to see the role of Russia. So new concepts arrived after 1918. So new concepts. What is that new concept? That means socialism and communism. Socialism and communism. What is this statement? What is the theme of this? Here, actually the Russian people got irritated as the Tsar Nicholas government has ruled for a long period of time, as it was monarchical type of rule, where people has a lot of dissatisfaction. They fighted against the government and they didn't like the policies of Tsars, so they want a change. For that part, first they have established the socialist groups. That means even the working class people, those who are rich and community merchants, they themselves declared as a individual government. This is against the ruling government. Imagine the ruling government was collapsed. That means revolution took place. What is that revolution? We are going to see very carefully. In the Russia, at the end of the World War, the new concept, as the people of Russia, they got irritated by the Tsar's rule. Tsars empires, they have got irritated. So finally, they came with the concept that is called socialism. When this revolution was started, means 1970. The entire world has seen Russia with a new concept, communism, socialism. So what is this? To study more about Russia revolution, we will later, the next part 2 is there, in that we will see carefully. So Russia revolution took place in Russian revolution took place in the year of 1917. After revolution completed, what happened? They demolished a new government, they established a new government, demolished the old government. And what is the concept of new government? Here they came with the concept that is called, now the name Russia, they have fought for a long period of time for this fight. Finally, they were successfully established their government, which was formed as USSR. What is the gap between these? It was formed when Russia turns into USSR. In which period? It was turned in 1924. 1924. Russia was converted as socialist government in the period of time 1924. From 1917 to 24, literally we have some gap. In this period of time, what happened? So people has formed a separate group that is called socialists. To study about this group, we have to go for part 2. Let me explain very shortcut way. Socialist group, the leaders, the intellectuals, educators, professors, highest educated people, they formed themselves as a government. In this, some of the soldiers, some of the peoples, some of the leaders are involved. They created a government which is against of SARS. Somehow it was run with democratic principles. Finally, it was Republican. Finally, this was also not continued for a long period of time. Finally, there was a great leader centered to develop these communities, to develop the communism feeling, to develop the socialism feeling among the people of Russia. There are the great leaders who were entered. Who are those great leaders? These people we will be seeing in your next lesson. Mr. Lenin came with the concept of communist idea. After Lenin, Stalin. So Mr. Joseph Stalin. They developed, when they entered in the Russia, it was the Russia has turned into United Soviet Union Soviet Socialist Republic. Union Soviet Socialist Republican country. So Russia has seen the another phase. Finally, it was established the government of USSR in 1924. Then who ruled? What are the changes? Now let us see what happened. Now see the Russia role in the World War Part 2. Before knowing about World War Part 2, what is the role of Russia with Germany? What relationship do they have? Is Russia is much better than Germany? Yes. It's a very vast country. It is having a high efficiency army, race and all the equipments, well advanced equipments equal than US. What happened here? Let us see. Here, when Russia is when Russia is become USSR, this was observed by Germany. Germany concept is dictatorship. Russia concept is communist. So both have same ideologies, very familiar and similar ideologies. So for these, what is opponent countries? For them, capitalist. Capitalist hates these communism and dictatorship because with the money, with the industrial power, we can do anything. We can command all the nations by the power of money. This is the theme of capitalist that was hated by the USSR. Then what happened? Next, as I said that Germany became very strong. Even the great powers also feared in certain situations that they might finish under the hands of Germany, because Germany is not great here. The thing is, Germany has joined with Russia, that's it. The feeling of communism might spread all over the world. Maybe world may turn into the complete communist type of related. So there is no private industries, there is no privatization, there is no bankers, there are no rich people. So this might collapse the entire nation. So that's why these capitalist countries hate these communist countries. Who are those? USA, Britain, etc. Understand the concept which I am explaining? Understand follow the theme, Nana, very carefully. So what happened here? So in between World War Part 2, there was a small deal. What is that deal? Capitalist countries observed that Germany at any cost, they are going to join with USSR. If they join, we are finished. So in that view, USA thought that, capitalist countries thought that instead of hating them, so from where we will get threatened conflicts, better if we capture Germany before itself, before reaching USSR. Before Germany reaches USSR, why don't we catch Germany under our hands? So they made a secret policy that is called, this non-aggression pact. It is an agreement that you also should join along with us. By this, if we are very strong, then Russia cannot do any harm to anybody. So to show their power, the capitalist countries has made a secret deal with the Germany. So this deal is called. That means the USA, the capitalist countries wanted a relation to have a joining forces with capitalist countries. This agreement or this secret policy called appeasement policy. So this was signed in the period of 1918. So understand the situation how it was went around. So nearly this joining of agreement is actually, this process started from 1918 after completion of World War I, as it was insulted, observation period has been went on. This deal was done in 1939. What happened when 1939? Actually, to fear the Russian government, what the capitalist countries has did, they too joined Germany along with them, as they are safe to fight against what happened, to fight against the USSR or to be safe from the hands of USSR. So they had a secret deal. So that is called appeasement policy. So when this policy was trained, so after 1924, that means literally, so they have some modifications and they have observed the strength of Russia. So capitalists got fear. So before going to get trouble, why don't we catch? Why trouble? Russia is harming? No, Russia won't harm. If Germany joins with Russia, definitely the problem comes from Germany side. So they thought that if we capture Germany before itself, if we make friendship, if we bind over the Germany under our hands, if we make a relationship with Germany, so we could stop this conflict or we could stop this situation. So that's why they have, before itself they have caught the Germany under their hands. So this agreement is called appeasement policy. Understand the concept, Nana? Capitalist countries made Germany to join along with them because of the fear of USSR. This treaty was signed as appeasement policy. Okay, completed? Right. This relation continued. Is this relation is continued? What do you say? No, it was not continued. Germany played a drama here. Germany literally played a drama. What kind of drama? Yes. Actually, Germany has joined with Britain. Along with USA is also there. So when it was joined with Britain, because this feared about USSR. Okay, then the non-aggression pact was started. Here what happens? So slowly this appeasement policy was run for a period of time. Then the deal was little bit trouble came for these countries. That means Germany acted as if Germany is along with Britain and its allies. So this situation was observed by Mr. USSR. So suddenly Germany and both forces got fear because Russia is double power than these two forces. They might attack at any time. So what I have to do? So actually Germany has a grudge with these countries. Why? Because back to the flashback, back to the topic. In Treaty of Versailles, how Germany was insulted by these powers. In Treaty of Versailles, what are the restrictions given for the Germany? In Treaty of Versailles, great insult. In Treaty of Versailles, they have showed a worst relation. They have insulted. The entire world has laughed at Germany. In Treaty of Versailles, they have disproved the relation. In Treaty of Versailles, they have removed I cannot express that. they didn't identify it as a country. Imagine, not only this, what are the insults faced by the Germany at the time of Britain and its allies? When they formed League of Nations, these countries not invited. Of course, this also. At that time itself they have developed a relation. Okay, Nana? Right. Germany has this grudge inside, but behalf of everyone, it has showed a friendly relation. What happened? It is so dangerous. Germany knows. Yes, USSR is so dangerous. So Germany wants to prove that as it is the only country, it should be a greatest country in the history. It should be the greatest country. People has to read for a generation to generation. They made a drama trick here. They have pretended here. Internally, Germany insulted by the Britain and allies. How they forget it. After this, I will explain in the next part of World War Part 2, I will explain the personality of Hitler. So there was a great leader entered here, the great dictator, his name is Adolf Hitler. When Hitler was developing these kind of activities, Hitler has seen the face of Germany at the time of World War Part 1. He has recalled all the memories, how the country was insulted. All these things were inside of the heart of Germany. Then what happened? Time came. World War time has been started. Before that, they have seen a Great Depression, very worst situation. At that time, no country was helped here, but some countries helped. I will explain who are those countries in the part 2. Let us, for the context, we are moving in emotion wave. As the Germany has grudge, but how great Germany it is, even though they insulted, but nominally it has pretended for a period of time, as if to fear the Russia, they have joined along with them. Actually, who feared here? Who has got fear? Britain, the great powers got fear because of USSR. If Germany joins with them, they might finish. So to avoid this, they had a relation here. That is called appeasement policy. This appeasement policy was run for a long period of time? No, it was not run. It was played a drama. See how great Germany, I said no. Germany inside they have a lot of ideas to finish one by one great powers. It made a lot of sketch. What is that sketch we are going to hear in this part here. As see, when they started fight against Britain and its allies, after completion of revenge, the war has been started. When the war has been started, Germany was along with the Britain forces. Then what happened in the war? For whom the war has been started? Yes, Germany occupied a small Polish corridor which belongs to Poland. The Poland community belongs to Russian Empire. Moreover, it belongs to Britain and its allies. You know, that place is called Danzig, port area. This created a lot of trouble and it was started as a war. That means literally, actually the war cause is made by Germany. Okay, the overall fight if you observe, the Germany was as showed a relation temporarily as it was along with the slowly when the war started, Germany has skipped towards USSR. Taken the help of USSR. What happened when they have taken the help of USSR? That means, listen Nana very carefully, war was started at period of time 1939. What is the role of Germany? Germany before it was along with the Britain because Britain has a fear of USSR. When war was started, Germany has cancelled the appeasement policy agreement, joined with USSR to fight against their enemies. Here the real anger burst outside of the Germany. It fighted like anything. By taking the help of USSR, Germany showed extraordinary power. The fight was going on, going on, going on. Climax, what happened? See, Germany is a very small country. How could it thought that it should not do like that? Actually, it has taken help of USSR to fight against this. After damaging of these countries, Britain thought that not completely damaged, somewhat finished. Germany slowly turned towards USSR. By the end of World War, Germany targeted USSR. How nasty it is. Joined with the friendship, joined as a relation. Finally, it is like it's illegal activities. Right? It is, formally it is not good a relation. Formally it is not a good fight. Right? It played a drama. Germany thought that it is having more power, it might finish USSR also. By the end of the war, Germany turns against USSR and started fighting. Imagine, suddenly your friend is there, you are going along with your friend. You thought he is your close friend. Suddenly that friend turns and started beating you. How was the reaction? Russia got that reaction. Russia helped a lot for Germany. But why? Why they are beating also, we cannot, while they are fighting against us, we cannot raise our hand. Russia was in such a situation. Russia was in certain situation. It was continued in the period of 1942. 1942. The fight of Germany against USSR. The fight of Germany against USSR. Slowly what happened? What is the reason Germany attacked USSR? Now we are going to study. Actually, here one more country arrived. What is that country? After completion of the revenge, Germany decided to attack USSR in 1942. The same year, in 1942, Germany attacked USSR. In the same period of time, Japan, which belongs to Germany group, dare to attack USA. Dare to attack. Both happened simultaneously. Actually, already these two groups, these two countries are belonging to the same community and same family. That means group. They are fighting individual forces here. What happened here? Then imagine what is the next reaction. So here, slowly, Russia and USA in this war, Russia and USA got friends together, smashed these two countries. Russia and USSR joined together, smashed these two countries. So this is the end of World War Part 2 in 1945. Okay, students, I hope you understand the theme what I am explained. Actually, these are belong to same powers. Germany used the help of USSR, joined, pretended as they have a relation, suddenly attacked. It can't digest. At that time, what have to do? Russia didn't digest that reaction. And there was a great friend added for the great power USSR. USA has joined along with the USSR and both smashed the Germany and Japan. See, Japan is a small island. USA is a big capitalist country. Imagine Germany and Japan are both small countries, attacked big nations, big powers literally. Of course, they will be lost in the war, but they are fighted, no. They have fight against them, no. That was a great thing. They have a brave heart to fight against these great powers. Okay, Nana? What happened? Enormous cost. Enormous cost. What is cost? Yes. If you lose some value of anything, a product or anything, for example, if you purchase a material and if you purchase some goods, if you get, if suddenly it lost, what could be? How you digest that relation? How you can adjust? How you can tolerate? Yes. After completion of two world wars, let us, the result the cost, the value of the living, the human beings, assets, properties, everything, how much they have damaged. Beyond all these things, let us estimate the value of, in the World War I, if you take the human cost, human lives, how many we have lost? Nearly 10 million. This is our able estimations, we don't know accurate. World War II, what about the human value? The human cost, people how many died? 20 to 25 million. 20 to 25 million people died. So if you go beyond all these things, if you check the died persons, the people those who are died, literally they are very young age, 40 years of age group was died. Imagine how bad situation, how sad it is. So this was the and so this is one side. If you estimate the cost value of the how much we lost, this was the dangerous wars in the world. First time we have seen nuclear bomb, which was, by the end of the World War, USA said no, USA dropped atom bombs on, nuclear bombs on Japan, complete Japan. See, the small country targeted a big capitalist country. See how the reaction. USA thought that Japan country should not be in the world map. That much anger it got. Now that they have used first time nuclear weapons. Next you can see poisonous gases. Bomb means generally blast is not important. After blast, the consequences how they are facing, like getting diseases, leukemia, cancer disease, different diseases how they get, they can't digest. Clear, Nana? So the first time we have seen nuclear bombs were dropped on the small countries. Nuclear bombs were used. Okay, Nana? Next, chemicals were used. Right. So this was the enormous cost of the two world wars. Let us we see democratic principles. How the democratic feeling has arisen in the world. Where do we have seen this democratic principle asserted entire the world? Where we have seen? Now we are going to see. As if you observe in the World War, First World War, there are some empires. Empires means oldest method of kings and queens ruling. These empires are there. Let me see, if you have textbook, go through once, underline the important empires. First one is Austro-Hungarian Empire, Austro-Hungarian Empire, Russian Empire, Ottoman Empire. Okay, Nana? So some empires which were very long lasting time. Germany Empire. Actually, these are ruled by the kings and monarchical type of system. After the World War I, completely it was ended. The empire's chapter was closed and the people turned towards their individual formation of government. Okay, Nana? Individual formation of government. Let us see what happened after completion of this. What is the next phase? If you see, there is a great changes. Russia, first time it was turned into USSR with the principle of communism. Next, if you observe, Germany has from monarchy rule to it turns into dictatorship. So these are the major changes if you observe the countries The entire political system completely changed because of the World War I. The philosophers and the great thinkers, they have estimated, they have studied, and when they analyzed, maybe the empire ruling system, because of demerits only, they might have faced the World War I. Because of the small curiosities, because of the small adjustments, if they could adjust or if they could understand, if they could realize, maybe World War I may not be. So this was a great analysis and historians made research on this. This was established, that was collapsed. Okay, Nana? Apart of all these things, you know, some of the great powers occupied colonies. What is colonies? Yes, the place is having a rich resources or any kind of plenty of necessary resources available like minerals and all those things. The great powers used to occupy that place. They used to rule that place. That means, for example, in Africa and Asia, some countries, some places which are very suitable for minerals, which are very suitable for cultivation, those places were occupied by the great powers and they used to establish their powers. Those colonies are free now. After 1945, they are free. That means they have got independence. They are enjoying the independence. So this was the final theme of the World Wars, completion of World War Part 1 and World War Part 2. So apart of this, there are new, in future there should be no any kind of war. So some welfare organization has been established by the end of World War Part 2, World War II, 1945. So there was international welfare organization has been established, that is called United Nations Organization. Who established? What are the main principles? What is their work and motto? How far they have covered the nations? What is the main theme and concept of UNO establishment and all those things? And along with this, we are going to conclude the women's voting rights when they have established and all those things. We will be discussed in the next class. Hope you have enjoyed this session. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.